Hello everybody, it's Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Do you know what similarities does the Proton X50 has with the X70, Nissan Almera, Honda Civic, Subaru XV, Volvo S60 and Volkswagen Passat? They're all fitted with Continental Tyres from the factory, or as we call it, OE fitment. So why do European, Japanese and even local car brands choose Continental as their OEM? In today's video, I'm going to break it down for you. Download the official WapCar app now on Google Play Store. So the first question is, what exactly is OEM? Well, OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, and as the name suggests, manufactures and supplies original equipment to companies. In this case, Continental is the OEM who supplies tires to car brands. Choosing for an OEM tire is not as straightforward as it sounds. Car brands don't go like, hey, I like this tire leh. Okay lah, I choose you. No, it's a very deliberate and well thought out process backed by extensive research. When choosing for an OEM tire, car brands have to consider whether the OEM is able to meet their specific requirements in terms of handling, braking performance, NVH, comfort, fuel consumption, cost, and whether the OEM is able to meet their target production volume. Now, achieving all of this may sound like a walk in the park for a big-time tire maker like Continental, but the challenge here is creating one tire that meets and fits the requirements of different brands and segments. Imagine you have to create a tire that's compatible for both SUVs and sedans like the Proton X50 and Nissan Almera. Yet at the same time, you have to maintain so the cost doesn't go up astronomically. Continental, an almost 150-year-old company with its advanced German technology, vast experience in tire making, as well as their wide range of product portfolio, allows them to meet the requirements of different brands from Protons to Volvos. They have tires that caters to different segments as well, whether you're looking for a eco-comfort tire, premium comfort tire, or even UHPs, ultra high performance tires. Continental has them all. For example, the Proton X50 comes equipped with Continental Ultra Contact UC6 tires from the factory, measuring 215/55 R18 in size. Now, this is a premium sports tires that offers a good balance between handling and comfort. When going over undulations, the tires absorbs the road imperfections very effectively, and it's not just the suspension at work, but also the tires. But when you throw it into a corner, the UC6 demonstrates decent levels of grip, both in the dry and in the wet. And the way that it delivers the grip is also very progressive in nature. Now, this type of characteristics, the balance between comfort and decent grip levels, really fits the X50's character as a sporty yet family-oriented SUV very well. Ooh, nice. Now, another common characteristic of Continental tires is their low rolling noise. Now, imagine this, you're cruising and coasting along the highway for hours at length. You really don't want your tires to go wong, 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 wong for hours and hours. Continental tires' low rolling noise helps with making a more comfortable and refined journey for you. So what are the benefits of choosing an OE tires? Aren't there cheaper or maybe even better alternatives out there? Well, it depends on how you look at it. When you go for a cheaper tire, you may compromise on safety and performance as it doesn't offer the same levels of quality and assurance as a OE tires. Continental, you will never go wrong with it because they are an OE tires for a long list of car brands. Proton, Honda, Nissan, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, you name it. To find out more about Continental Tires and locate your nearest dealer, click on the link in the description box below or log on to Continental Tire Malaysia website. The next time you have any tire-related concerns, remember to ask for Continental. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Download the official WapCar app on Google Play Store now for all your latest news, reviews, and comparisons to help you find your next perfect car. See you there!